Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up conversion tracking in GA4 for organic traffic, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open Google Analytics and log into your account.
Select the property for which you want to set up conversion tracking.
In the left-hand menu, click on Configure.
Next, select conversions from the options available. To add a new conversion event, click on the New Conversion Event button.
Enter the name of the event you want to track. Make sure the name is consistent with your existing event names in GA4. Save your changes to create the new conversion event.
Next, navigate back to the Events menu in the same Configure section.
Find the event you just created and toggle the switch to mark it as a conversion. Now, let's set up your data stream. Go to Admin in the lower left corner of the screen. Under the Property column, click on Data Streams. Select the data stream associated with your website.
Scroll down and click on More Tagging Settings.
Here, click on Define Internal Traffic. To accurately track
Now, return to Admin and navigate to Data Settings. Select Data Filters to set up a new filter.
Create a filter to exclude internal traffic, ensuring organic traffic is tracked. Once the filter is set, ensure it is in the active state. Return to your GA4 interface and click on Reports in the left-hand menu. Check the reports to see if your conversion events are being tracked properly. Monitor your conversions regularly to ensure data accuracy. Utilize the insights gained to optimize your website for organic traffic. Document any changes made in your tracking settings for future reference.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.